you want to change is you have to be willing to take the medicine. Anytime somebody says, I want to do this, but they're starting with the excuses immediately. If you want to become better, you want to become stronger, you want to increase in your faith, you can always take that next step forward. But you have to be willing to put in the effort. Because you're not going to wake up one day and suddenly have an increased amount of faith. Something has to change with your actual actions. And number 3, if you're trying to increase and improve, and you're trying to overcome your hardships, and you're trying to reconnect to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, remember that you cannot please everyone around you. No matter what you've done, somebody will always criticize you. When you live your life to only please other people, you're limiting your potential. You're limiting who you really are. You're limiting all the goals and objectives that will actually benefit you in this life and in the next life. And you're masking and limiting the potential you have to reconnect to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't live your life for other people.